Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find about device. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number or software version. It depends. And I believe it will be version number. So here in the about device, scroll and go and find version and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings, go to system and update and tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. So for example, you can you could manage the background check. You can show view updates, animation scale, pointer location, networking overall. So to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if it comes to the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, scroll up and tap on this switcher right here. Your device needs to be restarted, so I don't want to do it right now. However, after tapping on the restart, your device will restart and the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.